What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing the easiest install we've ever done, ever.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.
We're going to be putting a cold air intake on the truck, and it's literally one of the easiest installs we will do. I'm talking like snap of your fingers. What do we got here? Do not discard. This vehicle is equipped with a lifetime filter. So we're going to put this somewhere in there. Oh, and then they give us a sticker too. No offense, cold air inductions, but I don't put stickers on my truck. So she's going to make a nice addition to our sticker cabinets. There you go. Right there. So installation is really simple. If you want to get instructions on how to do it, I'm going to post another video with a detailed tutorial. But in this video, we're going to do it the quick way. There you go. Intake installed, just like that. The magic of camera work. Pretty sweet little system. ColdAirInductions.com sent us this intake. Let's fire it up and see how it sounds. Well, the exhaust sounds good. No complaints about the intake. Everything looks good. Sweet. That was just about the easiest way to install an intake system. Just like I said, snap of the fingers. So now all we got to do is drive it around a little bit and see how it goes. But hopefully we'll get some power out of it. I've actually got a dyno session scheduled for Friday, which is in 2 days, to throw this thing on a dyno. I'm going to take the intake back off, get a baseline number, and then put the intake on and see what kind of power we get out of this thing. Hopefully, the manufacturer, Cold Air Inductions, they say up to 14 horsepower at the wheels. So we're going to put that to the test, and we're also going to do a 93 octane pool just to see if having that little bit of extra octane in the fuel gives it a little more jump. So I'm thinking they probably see the 14 horsepower with 93 octane, but we'll see. I appreciate you guys keeping up with me and watching my videos. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I put up new videos all the time. Most of them are related to my 2019 Silverado you can see behind me, but occasionally I do car show videos, I do vlog videos, and just all kinds of random stuff. So again, thank you to all of you that are subscribers and keep up with my videos. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I put up new videos. And we will see you guys in the next one.